I remember last year, 2025, in November, when Operation Dudula announced that they are going to be going into schools to check whether they are illegal immigrants or legal immigrants, checking even the teachers. And I said, these guys, if they go into schools, they are going to get arrested. And rightfully so, just on cue, Jacinta Ngobese has been arrested. She was ordered to hand herself over to the police station because of the unrest that she was causing at Addington Primary School. And rightfully so, because they didn't have a choice but to get this person arrested because she was basically disrupting classes. Here's a clip of her handing her over to the police. And even Operation Dudula have been stripped of their powers. They cannot check people's IDs. They cannot do anything. Basically, they are useless. Not saying that their struggle is not real, but the way they're doing it, obviously, they are bound to get arrested. I mean, these things need diplomacy. You cannot just run around causing disruption, disturbing the peace, basically. What do you expect the police to do? The police were in full body armor trying to protect everyone while these people were just causing disruption. So I know, yes, there are concerns that students... And okay, another thing as well. Guys, let's talk facts here because Jacinta Ngobese has been lying a lot. Let's talk facts. There are no students that are sitting at home, not applying, not going to school at all because the law wouldn't allow it. The law has specifically said that there is no child in South Africa that will sit at home and not go to school. Legal, illegal, or whatever, you'll have to register yourself into school because they don't want any children to have juvenile delinquency and go around causing any troubles. So Abu Jacinta, that being disingenuous. Yes, there are students who might be illegal, but at the end, those students, they make sure that their paperwork is on point. But the government doesn't want any students because they have been complaining that, okay, there are students that will end up being amapara, they will be sitting at home. So what about the students who are supposedly illegal? Are they allowed to be paras and cause chaos? The government doesn't want that. So all in all, at the end, Abu Jacinta will get arrested even more because if she comes out and escapes this and causes